Our tarp is holding up. That's amazing. So we decided to come check on our cabin. It's been almost 2 months since we've been here. One of the main reasons we haven't been coming up is because it's just been so darn cold this whole winter. I think during the whole month of January it never cracked above freezing point. And today we have a high of +2 Celsius, so it's a perfect day to come up. The reason we came today is just to check on our cabin. It's been so long, we wanted to see if it was still holding up. We're surprised that the tarp has held up all this winter. There is a heck of a lot of snow on it, so we were pretty pleasantly surprised when we showed up, and there were no tears or rips in it. And as you can imagine, that's one of the reasons why we haven't been working during the winter, just because there's too much snow here. We don't live here full time yet, so it takes a little bit too much work to drive all the way here, hike up to our cabin and do some work. The days during the winter are pretty short as well, so we wouldn't get any real working time anyways. So we put the cabin project kind of on pause during the winter times. So to keep ourselves busy during the winter, we actually started a new project. We'll be posting some videos about that pretty shortly, so stay tuned for that. So for 2022, we set ourselves a goal of posting a video every week. Of course, we haven't started that yet, but once we start posting videos about our new project, they should be coming out pretty regularly, pretty much every week. And then by the time that project is done, it should be springtime, so we should be starting back up at the cabin probably around April. So at that point, you'll probably be seeing weekly episodes about the cabin building project. And we just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you guys all again for watching our videos, following along, interacting with us in the comments. We appreciate reading them. So I hope you guys have had a good 2022 so far, and we're looking forward to providing some more content for you guys.